So cocktail sauce it is, guys. So I have here about a cup of ketchup, and I have fresh garlic. I had garlic chili sauce. I have some horseradish. I have Worcestershire sauce and lemon. All right, so let's get started with these ingredients and our sauce. So as you already know, I use my mortar to mash garlic. So here I mash my garlic really good, as you could see. I love using the mortar, guy. I have link below for those as well if you don't have one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my fresh garlic. I added, I think it was like 3 cloves of garlic, but you could add as much as you like. All right, it all depends on the amount of sauce that you are making. And of course, like I always tell you, make the recipe your own. You add or take away whatever you please. So here I'm adding the chili sauce. You could also use hot sauce or Tabasco, or you could not just add hot sauce at all. It's all preference, okay? So here I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of the horseradish. And as you can see, I'm whisking it. And if you could do this the night before like I did, whoo, guys, I'm telling you, this cocktail sauce was so good. Shoot, you could almost drink it. So here I'm adding some of that Woreshire sauce. I can't pronounce it, but you already know. So I think I added about a tablespoon of that. And again, whisk all your ingredients really good and taste your cocktail sauce as you go, guys. You would know if you want more of one ingredients or less. It's up to you. Like I said, there's no right and wrong here, all right? And here I squeeze the whole lemon. That's the juice of the whole lemon. And I'm adding to it because, seafood without lemon, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I love me some lemon on my seafood, on the sauce, on the seafood, whatever. All right, so I'm whisking it, and now I'm going to cover this up, and I'm going to let this bad boy sit overnight on my fridge. All right, so the next day we are going to be preparing those shrimps. So here I have some shrimps. I have some Red Lobster seafood seasoning. You could use any seasoning you like, guy. I got some garlic powder, some black pepper, and I got that Louisiana Cajun crispy fish fry. I have some cornstarch, and I have all-purpose flour. So we are going to start prepping our flour. So here I had about, I think it was like a tablespoon left of the cornstarch, and I have about a half a cup of the flour, all-purpose flour. Here I'm adding some garlic powder to the mixture. Here I'm cutting my bag, and I'm gonna add some of the fish fry. The fish fry, you could add as much as you like, or you could do half and half as far as the flour and the fish fry, or you could just use the fish fry. Again, play with the recipe, make it your own, guys. All right, make the recipe your own. As you notice, I only added like the garlic powder to the flour, since that Louisiana flour is already seasoned. All right, so we're gonna put this to the side. Now we are going to devein our shrimp, and to devein shrimps are really easy, guys. You just need a fork, as you could see, and you pour it through it, and you start pulling away your shell and start pulling away that vein. All right, and you will continue to do that. So while we are deveining our shrimp, guy, go ahead and hit that like button for me, please, and also Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and hit that notification button that is going to let you know every time I upload a new video, so you could get that front row. Like I said, I'm gonna be having a lot of good recipes coming up. The summer's pretty much done with, so I'm gonna start making recipe now for the fall and the holidays and desserts and so on and so on. So I have a lot of great things coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. And I appreciate for those of you that have subscribed and show me support. I appreciate your support in my channel. Thank you. So here I am butterflying my shrimp. After I devein them, I make sure I wash them again, rinse them out really good. And now I am butterflying my shrimps. These shrimps are pretty big, as you can see. I like either the jumbo or the collapso when I'm gonna, make them this way. But look at how pretty those shrimps are, guys. So we're just gonna continue to butterfly these shrimps and get them ready for seasoning. It's very simple, as you can see. All right. So now we are going to season our shrimp lightly. Remember, because the flour already has seasoning. So here I'm adding some of the garlic powder to it. And also remember, you got that cocktail sauce that is a lot of flavor in that cocktail sauce, guys. So you definitely don't want to over season your shrimps, because you're also going to be dipping in that cocktail sauce, which it was, oh man, y'all already know. I enjoyed the food, and oh my God, let me tell you, I really sat down and watched a nice movie eating these shrimps, and it was delicious. You hear me? Delicious. So here I am adding my shrimp inside my Ziploc bag. I like to put it in Ziploc bag so I could shake them really good. Okay, make sure your Ziploc bag is closed really good. Even mine wasn't closed all the way, as you could see. So just make sure that your Ziploc bag is closed really good so you don't make no mess. All right. So I am starting to take it out of my Ziploc bag and adding it to the plate. After I do this, guys, while my oil is heating up, I like to let them sit for at least about 7 to 10 minutes, so that flour will sit in really good on the shrimps, and shake off all the excess that you can. And what I did also, I have my fire medium high. Like I said before, you know your stove, you know what you need to do. So here in the oil, you see some of the flour, because I had tested my oil by frying one shrimp and to see how, if it would cook it really good and even. If you have an air fryer, I'm guessing you would spray a little bit of that oil spray that they put in the air fryer. And I'm guessing a dip fryer, of course, you just dump them in there. But when I'm laying them here on the frying pan, I like to lay them with the opening down, as you can see, to make sure they stay open. Guys, these shrimps were so good. Oh my goodness, they were delicious. You make this recipe, you are going to love it. Make sure you get a nice size shrimp. Oh man, especially when you're going to dip it inside that cocktail sauce. You really gonna enjoy it. I enjoy making my food, and I enjoy eating it at home. I feel like I got my own restaurant at home. I don't know about you guys, but I'm telling you, as long as you learn how to make some really good recipes, man, you always gonna feel like you got your own restaurant at home. Okay, it doesn't get no better than that. So here are my final shrimps, guys. Look at how, oh my God, they were so good. They were so good. And that sauce right there, that cocktail sauce, oh man. Oh man. All right, guys. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Give my recipe a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next recipe. You have a wonderful day. All right.